Children's Day essay 10 lines. Children's Day is a special day. A special day for kids. It's a day to make children. It's the day to make children feel loved. Children bring joy and happiness. Joy and happiness. Everywhere. Everywhere. Every child needs love, care, and education. We help kids grow and achieve dreams. All kids deserve equal chances. Sorry. All kids deserve equal chances. School have fun. Fun events on this day. We want kids. We want kids. Sorry, we want kids to be happy and healthy. Kids smile. Make our future bright. We celebrate kids and their happiness.